Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add more storage space to your PS5 console. By default, every PS5 comes with 825 GB internal space. The internal storage space is not enough to install more games. If you want to increase the storage space of your PS5 console, I am using PlayStation WD Black SN850p to increase my storage space. I have a disk version of the PS5. To install this internal SSD, we need to remove the top plate of the PlayStation 5 console. We need to keep one hand at this end and other hand at the bottom. We need to lift at this end and we need to press down at the bottom like this. Let's see. One hand at the top and we need to lift it at the top and we need to slide down at the bottom. Once you remove the PS5 plate, the inside view looks like this. We need to remove this plate. If you need to use a screwdriver to remove the screw. Remove the screw. We need to insert the SSD in this slot. We need to just slide in the SSD like this. We need to remove this screw and fix it over here so that the SSD doesn't move. You need to fix the SSD like this. Here you can see that it is fixed. Now let's attach the top plate and fix the screw and fix the top plate of the PS5 console. That's it, the plate has been fixed. Now let's attach the PS5 controller to the TV and see the internal storage space. Once you connect PS5 to TV, it will give you this message: don't format and turn off PS5, format M.2 SSD. If you want to use the SSD on your PS5, you need to format it. So select the second option, format M.2 SSD. Now it is formatting the SSD. Here you can see the read speed of the M.2 SSD. Click on OK. Now you can see the message, your M.2 SSD has been formatted. Click on OK. Now your PS5 will restart. Now you need to select your profile and sign into your PS5 account. After signing in, the user interface will look like this. You need to go to the settings. At the top right, you can see the gear icon. Click on the gear icon. Now under settings, you need to select storage. Under storage, you can see console storage. It is the default inbuilt storage of the PS5. If you want to see the newly added storage, from the left side you can see that there is option M.2 SSD storage. Once you select that, you can see the newly added space, that is 2 TB. So that's it guys. In this way you can add extra storage space to your PS5. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.